Shop mature makeup, natural and smoky. I found these. It's a trio of crayons that work beautifully together on the eye. You don't need any brushes, just your fingers. This set makes it so easy to create a natural looking smoky eye. Each of the colours have a beautiful iridescent sheen to them so that when they're on the eye, they look absolutely stunning. So you're going to take the medium shade and you're going to draw this in your socket like a little rainbow. Could not be more easy. Then with your pinky finger and blend that shadow into your socket and down into your lid. So you're simply going to draw along your lower lash line and then blend with your pinky finger. And this is going to create a lovely, soft, natural, smudgy, smoky halo effect to your eye. Then, with the same medium tone colour, we're going to apply this on the lower waterline. Now with the lightest shade, I'm going to apply this just from the arch of my brow bone down to the tail of my brow, like this, a very thin line. Smudge that colour and blend it into the rest of the shadow. And by having our brow bone just a little bit lighter than the colour in our socket, it's really going to create a beautiful lift. Now with this natural smoky eye look, I want to create a more of a natural lash look. So I've chosen a brown smudge proof mascara that gives a little lash but not too much. If you want a soft, natural looking smoky eye, then a really dark brown really does complement smoky eye. And once this dries, it's completely smudge proof. To complement the look and to give our cheekbones a little lift, I'm using this beautiful blush here. It suits every skin tone and it gives a slight glisten to the tops of our cheekbones, which helps make them look more lifted. I'm using this brush, which is perfect for hugging the cheekbone and really emphasizing the look of it because it's got a beautiful slant to it. And you're just gonna gently swoosh the color up to the top of your ear. You can see this is just really sculpted this side of my face. Let's do the other side. Let's finish this with a stunning lip look that I've created for you. It's all about creating a beautiful defined lip look that looks natural but really plump and juicy. So to do that, I have this lip liner which is dual ended, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to make your lips look fuller. So we are going to line our lips. Fill the body of our lip. Doesn't have to be too neat, we just want to get a little bit of the colour onto the fleshy part of our lips. This is going to help our lip look fuller. Next we're going to put a gloss over the top. When you put this colour gloss with this lip liner, the two together, so pretty. It's got loads of lip oils in this, so it's like skincare meets lip gloss. So we're going to add the creamy end of this lip liner to the middle of our lips, and this is going to create the look of fuller lips, because when you make it slightly lighter in the middle of your lower lip, it makes your lower lip look fuller and in turn creates almost like a contoured effect to your lips, which gives a really fullness and juiciness with the gloss. And there you have a really stunning, natural smoky eye look that you can achieve at home really, really easily.